Get into frame, a little bit more into frame. Okay, somebody post that. Someone post that before everyone's like, they never hug on stream. It's all bogus. But yeah, the Kudo board made me cry. So now the rest of the stream, I will have tears streaming.
Da 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 da.
It was so sweet. I know. Look.
Do you want me to get you anything?
Go get my makeup bag, Arthur.
Yes, ma'am.
It's in my bathroom. I
Yes,
think.
ma'am.
Ask Keely. Stat pronto.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't really know what I'm supposed to be asking him to do for me today. This feels very weird and awkward. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
I don't think there's any fixing it, to be honest. But
There's nothing to fix.
okay, right. We'll worry about it later. But I do have my makeup, so I can fix it. Hold on. Let me switch also.
Good morning, Julia.
Arthur,
It's
how much
me,
sleep did you get
Joe.
last night?
Just wanted to say hi. Wish you a happy birthday.
Also, by the way,
At your age, a good
The
day is
reason
remembering where you put your
why
phone.
I'm kind
Cheers
of
to
coming
you.
in empty-handed.
On this momentous day,
Wait,
may
hold
your
on.
troubles be minimal, your cake be delicious, and your hangover be non-existent.
Thank you, Rush Hour. My hangover will probably be rough if I end up drinking tonight. But we have things to do tomorrow, so we can't drink too much.
Yay.
Robbie, thank you so much for the 5 months. And yes, Rush Hour, thank you for the 300. What were you saying?
So the reason why I came in sort of empty-handed is because I gave Julia my gift last night. If you know what I'm saying.
Did you practice that? What the fuck was that?
But also, she's getting her actual
Da da
gift
da 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 da.
later.
Oh.
You should have brought the gift in. I'll show them what you got me. It was very kind.
Ah, it's okay.
Can I
We
tell them?
We can leave it open to their imagination.
It sucks a lot.
Wait, does it?
It sucks very hard. And it has an insane grip.
Apparently it's like the best, it has the best suction, like, there is.
It has the suction is top tier. Nicole, thank you so much for the 5 gifted. Also, V Gravity, thank you for the 2 months. Thank you. 25% of your way of reaching my goal. What goal are we talking about?
Whoa!
Scotty, thank you so much for the 5. But yeah, Arthur gave me a very cool gift. Hasn't come in yet, so he wrapped the picture of it in a box. And said, coming soon. And it sucks extra hard.
Happy birthday.
That's right.
It's a vacuum cleaner! Yay! Which, listen, before anybody says anything,
Happy birthday, Julia.
I'm in my auntie era. I'm 28 years old. I fucking love anything to do with my house and cleaning. And as you guys know, I have an entire zoo. And my my recent vacuum just kapooted. So it was great timing.
To be fair,
I get anxiety when my house is dirty.
it did cross my attention that your vacuum doesn't even suck, it just pushes.
Yeah.
It's just like pushing dirt around.
Yeah.
So I was kind of getting confirmation from Keely that you would actually most likely
Hey,
appreciate
stop.
the gift.
No, I love useful gifts. I love useful gifts. And I will be making you get me blind boxes today, so it doesn't even matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone said my wife would be so pissed if I got her that. No, I love it. Olvi, thank you for the 7 months. And Alleged Forrester, thank you so much for the 9. Let me I was just opening this box. Let me finish opening it. This is, happy birthday, Julia. You like cooking and you like WoW, so why not combine the two? I didn't get you the original book as I wasn't sure if you had it already. Enjoy, from Gingy.
Wait, that's actually crazy.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Wait, yeah, tell them.
That's crazy because I literally saw Julia, I don't know if it was yesterday or what day it was, maybe 2 days ago.
Yeah, it was on my day off.
Watching a YouTube video about cooking WoW-related stuff.
Yes.
And now your book.
Baladash Melanore. Thank you so much, Gingy. This is so awesome. I was actually wanting to do this for a stream.
Yay.
I was just actually trying to think of in what way it would be best to do it. Like maybe doing like an official cosplay and then doing like cooking, but we'll see.
Wow.
Yay! Thank you so.
Will you cook for
Bangladesh
me?
Malinorian.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh Malinor. Thank you so much. I'm gonna put it right here.
Wow.
Pepper.
You got so many gifts.
Pepper, please. There's apple all in my.
You know what's funny? Did you show this one?
No, that's from Dehemi.
Oh yeah, I don't want to show that, but it's like one of the boxes literally says, "Dear postal customer, we sincerely regret the damage to your mail that occurred during handling the postal service." Like that thing, like now it looks normal. That thing was like fucked up.
Wow, they actually put that. They don't give you anything for fucking up your package.
No, they're like, we're so sorry.
Is the Zoil? Oh my god, the Zoil video. Okay, so I like. So okay, I need to click out of this. Sorry, Pepper keeps jumping on my keyboard and it plays the Zoil video. He's in my because he's been posting the Chad to Chud videos, which if you guys have not checked out Zoil's Chad to Chud, he's doing like a weight loss YouTube thing, and so I've been liking his videos because.
Da da
you
da.
know, sorry.
Da da da.
Anyways, let's knock these out. I'll do this one.
Somebody is sending you pills. Sweetie?
Dickle, thank you so much for the 3 months. Dickle, right? Dickle. What do you think it is? Tic Tacs? Multivitamins.
Creatine. Ashwagandha.
I think this is yours.
Wait, what is it?
Oh no, it's a his and hers.
Wait.
Wait. Maybe it's for both of us. We need you both to be healthy for busy year ahead. Come on, duo of the year. Please. P.S. I've noticed you both don't really use hand sanitizer anymore before eating at restaurants. SMH. That is true. Remember we used to use hand sanitizer.
Oh my god, we did.
Yes, from Anonymous. Seaman Demon, thank you so much for the bits. 100. Happy birthday. Did Arthur wake you up in this special way? No, I woke up from my alarm and for whatever reason it was like super cold in the house because it's cold outside now. So it was like 65 degrees in my house and I was in pain. So I spent 20 minutes in the shower trying to warm myself up.
Speaking of pain, your level 9 hype train is 30 seconds away from departing.
It's okay. We had another hype train earlier. Thank you guys for the.
Thank you for the vitamin pills.
Yes, look at that. Let me actually show. Why is the women's bigger?
Yeah, why is mine smaller? Why is Julia's bigger than mine? Hello?
They're both 200 tablets. Maybe I just need more vitamins than you.
Can I see? I don't want to act insecure, but it really should be the other way
Da
around.
da da. Da 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 da.
Arthur, you can milk your birthday in 6 days.
With B vitamins.
BSG, thank you for the 74. Maybe I should take one.
Yeah, I was literally like thinking to myself.
You said B vitamins? Shit, that'll wake my ass up maybe
oh
a
yeah,
little bit.
they smell like vitamins. I think you just swallow them. Wait, how many do you take?
Can I drink your
Yes.
thing? Cause I can't.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh yeah, that's right. I shouldn't be asking you guys today, or I shouldn't be asking you today. All right. Next. Let me make sure I'm not doxing anybody.
Ugh. Oh, one a day.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
That's right. Oh my god, that scared me.
I know I might stab myself on accident.
If you want me to open it for you.
I know I'm honestly not using you to the fullest potential.
Yes, ma'am.
Open my package, please. How many have 1 days do you take? I think you just take one. That's why it's called one a day.
Yeah, yeah.
Did I just get baited into that?
Imagine it's just the brand one a day, but you actually need to take 2 a day.
Sometimes that's how they get you. They're like, this has 50 grams of protein, but you need 5 scoops. Today, Arthur.
It has. Hey, this is packed really well. You know what's funny? Creatine does say it has like 300 servings, but you should take like 3 servings a day. So technically, is it really 300? Wow. Okay.
Arthur, relax, bro. It's a
Do I
birthday
give
stream,
it
not
to
a
you?
servant contract. Just say yes if she asks for something.
It says, Arthur, relax, ma'am. It's a birthday stream, not a servant contract. Wait! Wait, is this from JMO? This has to be from JMO. Just wanted to thank you again for helping me through a hard time in my life. Happy to see you get into crochet. Here's a throw blanket for when it gets cold. I added a motif to make it a little spooky. Hope you have some good soup dumplings with Arthur. Thanks for the streams. Happy birthday from JMO. I knew. Look at the little bat. It's a little bat. So cute. Yeah, me getting into crochet. I suck at crochet, by the way. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, and an entire blanket?
That's right.
Arthur, do you know how long these take to make?
Well, I know how long Ashley takes with her crocheting for certain projects, so long.
Oh my god, look at this.
Oh, what the heck? Wow, it's actually way bigger than I thought. God damn.
Yeah, it's rolled up. Holy shit. Oh my god, JMO.
Wow. Wait, what's in the middle?
Oh my god, wait, hold it up. Is it like an eyeball?
The all-seeing eye. Ah.
It's the all-seeing. That is sick, JMO.
Wow.
Thank you. This has.
Wait, is it like a star?
Look, and you can tell. I learned this in crochet. This is called a magic circle or magic ring.
Is it?
Yes.
Wait, can I hold it up like fully? Is it like a star shape? I think it is, right?
I don't think so. I think it's just a rectangle. You can wear it as a costume.
No, it's not exactly rect. No.
Yeah, this is the third package that JMO has sent me.
I think it's like a star. Yes, look.
Oh, it is.
It's like a star shape.
Yeah.
See, it has like these corners. Wow.
Oh, it is. Sorry, I'm
It's like hard to show on stream.
Yeah. Thank you, JMO. This is so sick. This had to have taken a long fucking time.
Wow.
Oh my god, JMO.
Dude, also it's quite heavy. Like the amount of material.
It's very, very, very. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. This is so sweet. I'm gonna try to make sure that Pepper doesn't shit on it. Very kind.
Speaking of shitting, because I almost showed the label, do you have like a pen where I can like censor the thing? Or I will just try to like not show it, but...
Some of them have big return addresses. Other ones don't. It took 50 sheeps of wool.